What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant game. Your game requires a restart this issue. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the Windows search bar, and then from there you need to search for Task Manager and then click on Task Manager, and after that in the top search bar you need to type in Riot, and after that, if any of the Riot task is going, just right click and then click on end task so that the Riot client is turned off. And after that, you need to do that same for Valorant. You need to search Valorant, and then if any of the task of Valorant is going on in the background or foreground, you just need to right click and then click on end task to end that task and to close Valorant in the background. And after that, if the issue still persists after restarting your game, you just need to go to the properties of your Valorant. And after coming to the properties on the right side, here you can see the compatibility. Click on this compatibility and make sure that you are running this program as an administrator, and then this will solve your Valorant game restart issue fix. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.